Hey, hey! How's your journey? How you living today? Are you smiling? Are you laughing? Well, as I say all the time, I hope something has happened to you today that makes you smile. I am jumping on here really quick because I have a couple of videos that I want to film and just get ready to push them out so I can get my subscriber list, my subscriber number growing. So since you're here, will you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button? Will you ask some of your subscribers to subscribe? Come watch, see what I do, see what it's all about. And let's be friends. So this is my Brahmin bag. This is my latest Brahmin bag. This is baby number 10. And this is what baby looks like. To free myself of judgment, I'm gonna take that price tag off of it, just so when the urge or the need for you to judge me hits you, then you won't know how much I paid for my stuff. Okay, all right, so this is what it is. This is the large Duxbury satchel, turquoise Melbourne. That's what it's called, and that's the little stock card that comes in. I dropped it. The stock card that comes in your purse. So I wanted to be very accurate in my explanation. So this large Duxbury satchel is a great everyday bag with convertible shoulder strap and plenty of interior space. Carry your iPad along with you and your favorite essentials. It has a large zip top dome satchel, double handles, removable adjustable crossbody strap, backslide in pocket, footed bottom, 4-inch handle drop, and a 13-inch strap drop. Let's see. It is the signature crocodile embossed leather in a vibrant turquoise jewel tone, and it is genuine leather. Okay, on the website it comes in at $295. So this is what it looks like, and as I forestated, this is the strap that it comes with, and it is an adjustable strap like a belt. So you take that out and you put it in these holes here, and that's how you adjust it. Okay, so this is the strap, and it goes on either side. The color is turquoise, and you call it the Melbourne Duxbury satchel. It has the signature gold zipper, gold clasp. Here, it does say Brahmin on the zipper. And it does have a space for your cell phone if your cell phone should fit in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take all of the paper out of it. And as I stated, it's 14 inches deep. I'm gonna go ahead on and put that paper out on the floor. And it does come with the cards that stand up on the side to keep it from caving in. Now, I don't know how you keep your designer bags, but I keep the stuffing in my bag. And I have a case that I keep mine in. Some of them on display so I can just see how pretty they are, and they stay all pretty. And I keep them up there. So that being said, I keep everything on the inside of my bag. My duster bag, I keep it in the purse. And the only time that I put my purse in the duster bag is if I'm traveling. If I'm traveling, then I cover it up, put it in my suitcase, and then that's the only time. Other than that, it's on display. My white purse, I do have this purse in white. Now, my white purse, I do keep it in the dust bag, and it's not on display. So, on my display, well, out for viewing, I guess that's probably a better way to say it. But this is what the inside looks like. That's what the inside looked like. Unlike some of your other designer bags, This has a plain beige lining. It is a fabric lining. It's not plastic, and it is engraved with the designer name Brahmin. Okay, so it's 14 inches deep. It does have the slit there on the side for everything that you don't want. And here's your other stock card. And this little card or booklet tells you this is your special care instructions. It tells you how to care for it. And the only special care that I have ever, and it does give it to you in several languages. The only special care that I take on mine is that I keep them dust free. The best way to keep them dust free is to keep them in their dust bag. Like I said, this is baby, for me, number 10. And I absolutely love my Brahmin bags. I love it. It comes in Chinese, some sort of Asian writing, and then it tells you in English that they have some great tips on how to keep it. As always, we're on hand if you need it, and I have called them. I called them to register my bag, and all of my bags are registered just in case something goes wrong. It's on registry. They'll fix it for free. I have never had to send one of my Brahmin bags in. I have had to send in some designer bags like my Dooney. I think I had to send in a Dooney because a Dooney broke. But one of these has never broken on me. It does have a place for ink pens. You can see that right there. It does have 2 other slits there that are that have the croc edging on the inside. So that's basically the inside of the purse. It is what we call footed, so that it doesn't sit directly on the floor. It does have the gold feet on the bottom. That is my baby number 10. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to go ahead on and put my strap on here, and I love how the clasp is. I think this is called an alligator claw. I think that's what that's called. And I'm gonna go ahead on and put that on there. I don't know when I'm going to carry this, and I don't know if I'm going to keep this out for view. I may just put it in my to later, put it in the dust bag and put it away for later. I don't know, but this is what it looks like hanging. If you can see that, I'll take it back a little further. If you can see that, I love it. It is again it is called the Large Duxbury, Duxbury satchel in turquoise Melbourne, and then that's your stock card that you get in there. So the next thing I'm going to show you is I got the matching wallet. Let me take that price tag off of there as well, so you won't judge me. So this, I got this because they didn't have the one that I like. This is not the one that I like, but I like to have the matching wallet if I have the purse. It's just who I am. I like it. So this is the inside of it. I like the checkbook style because when I carry this, I'll have to now have my checkbook and checkbook cover because I'm old school. I still write checks. Especially when I pay my doctor bills. So this has the silica gel in it that's going to go in the garbage can. So there, it has the outside zipper for your coins. It zips all the way around, and it has a side slit there, and I guess you can hide some money on that side. On this side, that looks like for your driver's license. And then this looks like for a couple of cards, you know, a couple of credit cards that you can carry. You're only going to be able to carry a few. And then on the inside here, maybe you can put your receipts or something like that. And then on the other side as well is your stock, your care information that comes in a little black envelope that says Brahmin. It's in there. And this does not have a registration card in your wallets. So it didn't have any, and this is not my first wallet, and it didn't have any in my other wallets either. So that last little space there, you get just like the front or the top, and the middle, the back there. Very nice, very nice. And it does, I guess you can just carry this if you want to go ahead on and purchase one of those tassels. Then you can use this as your carry along. Maybe your phone will fit in there, maybe not. I'm not quite sure, but this is the matching wallet. I absolutely love it. I do store my wallets in my purse, and I do not carry them unless I'm carrying the purse. You will not see me pull one of my Brahmin wallets out and carry it with another purse. I just don't do that. Now I do it with other designer bags, whatever designer bag that I carry. I'm not just a designer bag carrier. I do have bags that have no name on it, or purses, I mean, that have no name on it. That's not truly important to me. But when I get one that I am fortunate enough to have a matching wallet with it, then I do. That is the only time that I carry it. I have a couple of Dooney bags. I have a couple of Coach bags. I have a couple of other bags that I just don't know the name of, that I have purchased, Fossil, things like that. Anything that you can buy at a major department store, that anybody can go to, anybody can get for regular price, sale price. You can get them at, nowadays you can get them anywhere. You can get them online. You can buy them anywhere. People are selling them all the time. So I'm not, they're not so much that, you know, they are exclusive to a certain community. That's not true. Get it wherever you get it. Pay for it at whatever price you feel comfortable paying for it for. That's why I took my price tag off, because just to spare people the need to judge for how much you spend for your bags. I just want to show you my purchase and how much I love it. You can get them anywhere. I have gotten them from Belk. I've gotten them from Dillard's. I've gotten them from the Brahmin store. They don't have a Brahmin store in the state where I live. They don't have a Brahmin store. You have to go to one of the major department stores, Macy's and things like that. A lot of times, some stores will let you use coupons or whatever they may have. Some days, I know Dillard's have trade-ins. You can do a trade-in once a year. However you get it, just don't feel like that if you always wanted one that you're excluded from getting one. It's just a purse, but it is a very, very, very nice, very, very nice purse. I love them. I love them. I will do, I think I may have a video that I may be able to do an iCard on what's in my Brahmin. I think I may, and I didn't. If so, then I'll do it up there. But thanks so much for stopping by my channel, watching my unboxing. This is my first time going through it, first time touching it and looking at it and feeling it. Like I said, I do have this same exact purse in white. If you want to see it, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will do another one for her. I don't know her name, but her name is Duxbury or something like that. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you want to see more videos like these, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to show you what some of them look like and where you can pick them up. Remember what I always tell you, it's worth its own weight in gold. Its own weight in gold, okay? You only get one journey. Journey well.